Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start this look, I'm just going to pull up any loose hair just so that it doesn't accidentally get cut. And then afterwards, I'm going to take a tiny brush just to kind of brush the hair down so that the fade will look more clean in the end result. This is what my hair is looking like. So it's been about a month since I got my hair cut, and that is the longest that I've ever gone. I'm going to be using the Andy's T blade, and as you can see, the front has been disassembled and removed so that you can actually see exactly where the blade is cutting, making the cut much easier and much more crisp. So as you can see right here, I'm setting in my first guideline, which is what I do believe is called a bald guideline. I'm really not sure, but for anyone who's much more experienced in this field, they can, comment down below what exactly this is called, but I'm pretty sure it's called a bald guideline. Cut me some slack. I just started doing this in February, so I don't really know all the terminology. I'm self-taught, and yeah. This is actually my favorite part of the whole process just because it's the quickest and it's the easiest, obviously. Next up, I'm going in with this wall razor. Now, I'm not sure exactly what the model of it is, so if someone knows, they can gladly comment down below for you guys. But I'm just going to be setting in my second guideline, and I started with about a ½ inch, but I think ultimately, off camera, I did make this second guideline about an inch long. And I'm starting out with the lever open. So like I was saying before, I did go about a month without cutting my hair, and honestly, I do feel like that made this video much more difficult than what it had to be, because number one, when I was practicing about every week and a half, so I could still see my fade. I was just falling over the fade. I basically had to redo this one with a blank canvas. Secondly, I am recording myself doing this, so I don't know if it was just nerves or what, but I don't know, it was much more difficult cutting my hair this time than any other time. Just kind of update you guys on what's going on now. I'm going in with the 1 guard. I'm just going to be setting in my second guideline with the lever open. Now going in with the 2 guard, I'm just going to be removing any excess hair. Once again, I have the lever open just so that it doesn't cut off everything, because I like to start from the bottom and then cut at the top and then kind of meet somewhere in between. I don't really know if that's standard or that's what you're supposed to do, but that's just what I do, and that's what has been working best for me. So typically I don't really have this much hair to cut off with the 2 guard, but because my hair has grown out so much, I kind of have to improvise and just hope for the best. But now I'm going back in with the 1 guard with the lever closed, I believe. And this is where you can really start to see the fade materialize. And I'm not really too precise here in what I'm doing. I'm just doing it based off of feel and how it looks. I'm just trying to get rid of as many harsh lines and just to blend everything at this point. And then after I go through one more round of blending, I then will go back in with the 2 guard with the lever closed just to cut off even more hair, just so that you can really see the blend. After I go in with the 2 guard again, I'm just going to follow back up with the 1 guard with the lever closed again, just to basically blend it out even more. This is actually pretty self-explanatory and easy at this point. And then afterwards, I do go in with my Andy's T blade again just to work on my hairline. So now a little spill on my hairline. My hairline was fucked up in January. Some of you guys may have noticed the taper part was pushed far too back. Too many people were working on my hairline at once, and it just got fucked up. So I was like, forget it. I'll just start cutting my own hair and fix it by myself. And with the help of Cut Buddy, this video is not sponsored by Cut Buddy, but I just want to show you their newest system, and I'm going to be using it on my vertical bars. I could have used it on my hairline, but my hairline isn't 100% straight yet, so I'm just going to be using it on the vertical lines. And you can basically use this as a guide. It's supposed to help you with your vertical bars, with your hairline, even trimming your beard and lining up your beard. So if there's something you guys are interested in, then I will leave a promo code or something on the screen, as well as the DB, as well as a link to the website. That's just if you guys are interested. I'm not going to show you guys a full demo using it, just because, like I said, my hairline, I don't feel comfortable using it on my hairline yet. But if it's something you guys are interested, just check the DB. So after doing one side using the Cut Buddy, I do want to follow up on the left side with the Cut Buddy again, just to get the most consistent and precise results, at least with the vertical bars. And then afterwards, I'm just gonna be doing like a little bit of detail work just to kind of clean up everything, because at this point the cut is finished. But I do like to, when I am cutting my hair, I do like to cut, you know, trim my facial hair. You will see me later on in the video going in with a straight razor, and that's to of course really pick up any loose hairs near my hairline that the T-blade missed. I also use a straight razor on my non-existent mustache, but honestly you guys, cut me some slack once again, because I have much more facial hair than what I did back in January, so that's what we call progress. But yeah, after my facial hair has been trimmed up, my hairline is looking nice. I'm gonna be going in with the Johnny B Aftershave spray. Now this stuff smells so freaking good, but it's like really strong, so I make sure not to spray any of it in my eyes. I just spray my face everywhere that I basically shaved. So my taper, my hairline, near my jawline area, all that. I let it dry, and this is what the finished look is looking like. If you guys like it, then don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment down below. If you guys want to see me like turn this into a series, like doing different fades and stuff like that, then just let me know. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.